Sweet potatoes are a staple food in many parts of the world. A sweet potato can be eaten by almost anyone, and it is one staple food in many parts of the world. Because sweet potato may offer a variety of health benefits. That's why we are here to give you some of the ways in which they may benefit a person. Sweet potatoes are anti-inflammatory. Sweet potatoes contain a significant amount of vitamins, most of which have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Sweet potato have conclusively shown that the extracts from the vegetable variant had the capability of inhibiting the production of active inflammatory components in one's body. Sweet potatoes is also a cancer fighter. A purple-fleshed sweet potato is especially effective in the fight against cancer. This variation of the sweet potato has elements that are able to inhibit growth of specific cancers that include breast cancer, gastric cancer, and colon cancer by inducing the cell death of these cancer cells. The vegetable's high anthocyanin content is believed to be the reason behind the sweet potato's anti-cancer activity when it comes to gastric and breast cancers. Sweet potatoes also support healthy vision. Sweet potatoes are incredibly rich in beta-carotene, the antioxidant responsible for the vegetable's bright orange color. In fact, 1 cup, 200 grams, of baked orange sweet potato with skin provides more than 7 times the amount of beta-carotene that the average adult needs per day. Beta-carotene is converted to vitamin A in your body and used to form light-detecting receptors inside your eyes. Eating foods rich in beta-carotene, such as orange-fleshed sweet potatoes, can help prevent eye conditions. Purple sweet potatoes also can protect eye cells from damage, which may be significant to overall eye health. Sweet potatoes are good for digestion. Sweet potatoes contain large amounts of fibers, which have long been known for improving the health of the gut, as well as digestion. Many laxatives in use today are made from fibers, meaning that consumption of sweet potatoes can increase your intake of fibers needed to promote proper digestion. The high fiber content of the sweet potatoes can also aid in preventing constipation in both children and adults. Sweet potatoes enhances memory. The anthocyanin contained in the purple sweet potato possess memory-enhancing properties. The underlying belief here is that the antioxidant properties of the anthocyanins are what make sweet potatoes memory-enhancing agents. Sweet potatoes help regulate blood pressure. Sweet potatoes contain considerable amounts of both magnesium and potassium, both of which are essential in the fight against hypertension. They also help regulate the blood pressure, which reduces the chances of individuals suffering from cardiovascular diseases. Sweet potatoes is also good for hair and skin. Sweet potatoes contain high levels of vitamin A, C, and E, all of which are useful in the promotion of proper skin and hair health. These vitamins are useful in repairing skin that is damaged due to exposure to UV light. The vitamins also slow down the cell aging process in the skin, helping you retain a youthful look for longer. In addition, vitamin E is especially useful in the prevention and treatment of alopecia and maintaining good hair health. The bottom line: sweet potatoes really got an extra load of health benefits. Sweet potatoes are versatile and can be prepared in both sweet and savory dishes.